Hello and welcome to the paragraphs bundles import tutorial. This is part 3 and we created we uploaded the images, we created the CSV file. Now it's time to go and uh, enable the node import. That will be number 3. So we import content inside a new content type. It was created by this module. So structure content type. I have only just article and page. So here let's go and enable the first, this one, the node. And after enable it, let's go and go to structure content type. And this is the new content type was added. So when you enable this module, you get two things. You get a content type and you get import nodes, the form. So let's go first to the content type, structure, content, add content. I want to just add a content, just plain content, some for image, upload image, uh, and save. So this is the content and the body, the image. That's the content type was created. So the content type, when you enable it, you get. Let's go actually and investigate it more with the manage field. So the manage field, you have a body, image, and tags, and you get also so the content type named PV import node, and there is a vocabulary also attached or associated with this one, the same name. Here is. So for content, this is the one I just created. If I click edit, so you have the body, the image, and then tag one, for example, if you try to add tag to it. So this is what we see here. So this is just the manual. So let's now go and create content by the import. So if I go content import and import node, I have two files in the system. You could use exactly pretty much the same inside the paragraph bundles import. Those are inside the module. So where is yeah, here is, and I showed them before. I'll show them again. Here is these are the files I have in the module. When you download the module, you should have them exactly the same. So I have them here on my so let's start content with images. So if you open this one just has some quotes and the image, and here is the image. I'm just using the same image where it is and just different quotes. So let's go now and to the content and imports node. And when we import node, you created the file, the CSV file, you add just only the file name or the image name. You only add the image name. This is very important. And when we choose here, let's choose, so I have this one. Let's do this one first with images. And I added the image inside the Drupal directory. Where it is, the Drupal directory inside see websites, and then I added I added this image. That's the one I'm using, and I created a folder hero, and I added this one. So there's the image name, only the image name here, and then I'm gonna go to the import. I want to add hero, that's it, and this is the content type, must be this is the created content type in the module, and this is the vocabulary. I left them there. I didn't hide them because just in case you create some content and you decide you want to create a different content type or something like that. So if you decide to do that, that's why I left them. But if you want to use it here, you make sure to structure add content type. And when you add content type, after you add it, for example, you want to make sure that you're using uh, the same use existing field, and you want to use the same field from the other one. That's if you decide to use but for the vocabulary also same thing. This is the vocabulary machine name. So make sure also same thing. If you want to create a vocabulary, add a vocabulary, and then this is the machine name. When you add new, this is the machine name. You want to use this machine name here. And same thing for node. This is the machine name. You want to use it here. And you must have the same fields as this content. So here, and then we click import, and now it's creating content from the CSV file. And actually, I wanted to open, so it's created 30 and skipped 0. If anything skipping, it will skip only if so these are nodes. Title must be exist, image or body. So if an image exists but it doesn't have a title, it will skip. And actually, the module has a lot of explanation and any messages or anything happening. You will see it in the log. So if you click here, you will see exactly what happened. Or if you get an error or something like that, I give you a detailed errors explanation what is happening even each row. So if you know if something happened in row 5 or row 6 or something like that, you get the row number. So if you click here content, here is these are the content now is created. So I have title, image, and duplicate, double if you want to add 2 taxonomy or 3 taxonomy. If you look here to the content, it has HTML. And as I said before, the easy thing to validate this one is if you have a Google account or Microsoft Excel and open this one with it. I hope you like the demo and see you in the next demo for the paragraph.